DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Before, well, when I torque this sucker, what size was this? Was it this size? Yeah, baby. And then we gotta stake it. Yeah. Get a screwdriver. Oh, I got one now. Where'd the screwdriver go? Better use a halfway fat one. This one's pretty thin. No, it's not like I don't have enough screwdrivers. Well, maybe I do have a shortage of screwdrivers. I want to use a thick one, pretty thick. Ooh, I wonder if that's too thick. Well, that might work. Okay, so we're tightening, so we need to put it down here. Stick it in the hole. I need my cheater bar. Cheater, pumpkin eater. I don't know what the torque on this is. A lot. Oh. I'm just going to do it good and tight and hope for the best. There. I think you're good and tight. Let's do it just a little bit more, make sure. Okay, baby. And then we gotta drift. We gotta stake that sucker. Big hammer. Stake it so it doesn't come undone. Turn it this way. Ow. What did I do? Punch a hole in it? Damn. Did that thing break? Well, I think it's good. No, it's not good. What kind of cheap crap is this? Look at that. Broke a piece right off. Well, I could tighten it and stake it somewhere else, but maybe let's try a different knot. Let's try this one. They give you a bunch of new ones, so can't believe that. It's not sharp or anything. Stick the screwdriver in, tighten it up. I don't want the screwdriver to fall out. Damn. Okay, let's try this again. tight as I can get it. Try to stake it again. I don't know how to do that without breaking them. Maybe I'll break this one too. What does it want? It wants a different kind of chisel. Ooh, let's try that one. That one's flat. I can't believe that just broke off like that. I think it was the nut. Is that steak good enough? Sheesh. Maybe that's good, huh? I guess I'll notice before when the wheel starts coming off, if it does. I wonder why the steering wheel was shaking so hard. Sheesh. It's starting to rain. And I'll tell you another reason why it doesn't matter if there's rust on here. Because if you drive through a bunch of water and park your car, guess what? These suckers get rusty. Alright, I'm hoping this stake job is better, it's good enough. I can't imagine this thing coming off anyway. It's turning. That's one good thing. I don't hear any noise. Yeah, it's starting to rain, so I gotta quit. I don't have a roof. Oh, here's Bob. Bob's over at Larry's house, right? They're two Southern boys. Why are you not going in? Two Southern boys, and it starts raining, and they're sitting in the living room, and the water's coming down. And Larry goes, "Bob, your roof's leaking." He says, "Yeah. When it's sunny, it don't. No, let's see. When it's raining, I can't fix it, and when it's sunny, it don't leak." Shit. What do I do with you temporarily so you don't get too crazily wet? Alright, put away anything that gets hurt when it's wet. A lot of this shit doesn't. These tools don't get hurt. This is the desert most of the time. You know. Maybe I'll put this wheel bearing somewhere safe. Let's put it somewhere where I'll forget it. I won't remember where the hell I put it. I think I'll put this away. Well, fuck no. Alright. Onward and upward. Alright, stopped raining. Well, it's still raining a little bit, but I could actually use this nut maybe and restaked it. I may do that. Alright, time to put the brakes back on, I guess. I think there's still plenty of lube on there. Well, I'll add a little bit. Oops. Now we get to work on the other side. And what else we need? Our little spreader clip. Last but not least, our little caliper baby. I wonder if this will fit on without spreading. It came off, so ought to go back on. Oh, shit. We have to open that up. I think I can do it with vice grip with big channel locks. Just need to push it a little bit. I love these, they're huge. Just need a little bit. Should go back in here. There we go. Okay. And we don't have top and bottom anymore. Which is which. But that's not critical. Which one do we have? 12 milli, 12 silly milli. Did I tell you guys how much I like this wrench yet? Let's see if I need a backup or not. Damn. Yeah, I could have saved myself a lot of work. Are you spinning that? Are you gonna make it? Yep. Guten tight. Don't strip it. Whatever you do. Alright, this side is done. I'll get one of those stupid screws. Let's move over to the other side. And first thing will be the CD joint. Goes right there. I bought economy by mistake. I didn't realize I was ordering economy, but as I said, if these crap out, I will make another one of these nuts. If these crap out, I will put the originals back in. Screw it. There's my assembly lube. Boy, you guys are getting to see every fucking detail of this shit. Okay, now this one, I don't know where the ring is, snap ring is, if there even is one, but let's just put some goop in here. A little bit of assembly lube. That's some pretty slick stuff, that assembly lube. Ooh, let's put some on here. There's a seal, I believe. Seal rides on that. I wonder if there was one on the other side. Okay, in you go, baby. I felt some splines latching on. Where's my dead blow? I'll start grabbing some tools. Ow, that hurt. Can't tell if I went in or not. Let's crawl underneath and see. I didn't hear any satisfying snap. Oh no, she's still way out. We gotta beat her some more. See? This is the side that gives you problems. Maybe I'll save this for tomorrow morning. It's getting late and I'm tired. I don't think we made any progress. Nope. Well, maybe we did. Fuck. This side's good. Maybe you have to push on it and then beat it. Let me whack the hell out of my finger. I need a bigger dead blow or something. Oh, you know that? If you just pushed in and clicked. How you like them apples, huh? I didn't need no dead blow after all. I just needed good old gorilla strength pushy. Okay, so that's done. Now we got to put the other one together. Put the bearings together. This time I'm going to squeeze this down. I'm going to take acetone and wipe all the grease off of that so that she locks up, you know, when I put it together. But I may just wait till tomorrow. What time is it? 5 o'clock. It's time to put this one together. That. And I want to put it down here to keep it out of the rain. Yeah, I whacked my finger pretty good with that dead blow. Okay, so we got this one, this and the bearing. 2000. Shit, look at all this rust. It's still sprinkling a little bit, so you know what? I think I will wait until tomorrow morning when everything dries out. Let's put this down here. It doesn't get too much wetter. Put this down here. I don't care about that. You can rust if you want. Rust all you want. Don't forget this snap ring, kid. Whatever you do. Whatever I do. Man, we had some real wind. Look at that. Fucking little branches everywhere. Alright, onward and upward.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.